Before we get started, check out the MEXC, the fastest growing crypto exchange in the market. With MEXC, you'll enjoy the lowest commissions on the market, allowing you to maximize your profits with every trade. And as if that wasn't enough, here's an exclusive offer just for you. Use promo code MEXCUSD1000 and receive a bonus of 1,000 USDT to kickstart your trading journey with MEXC. Welcome to our detailed walkthrough on how to create an OKX account. If you're stepping into the dynamic world of cryptocurrency or seeking a new trading platform, this video is your essential guide. Plus, learn how to claim a fantastic bonus with a special promo code. Before we jump into the registration process, let's briefly discuss why OKX could be a great choice for your crypto trading needs. OKX is a prominent cryptocurrency exchange known for its advanced trading platform, offering a variety of digital assets, intuitive interface, low trading commissions. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and visit the OKX website, or just use link below. On the homepage, find and click the Sign Up button, usually located in the top right corner. This action will redirect you to the registration page. On the registration page, you'll need to enter your email address or mobile number. Now for the exciting part. To activate your bonus, input the promo code BESTPROMO in the Referral Code Optional field. This offer will let you try your luck at mystery boxes, which OKX claims can hold up to $10,000. Okay, then press Sign Up button. After that, you will need to select your country of residence. Then review OKX Terms of Use and Privacy Policy, and if you agree, check the box and click Next. Then create a secure password. A strong password is vital for the security of your account, so choose wisely. After entering your details, OKX will require you to verify your account. This step is essential for your account's security. Verification involves confirming your email or phone number and completing the identity verification process, which may require you to provide personal information and upload identification documents like a passport or driver's license. Okay, confirming your email. Just check your email and enter the code. Congratulations, you've successfully created your OKX account. Before you start trading, it's important to enhance your account security. OKX offers features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, which adds an extra layer of security. We highly recommend enabling this feature for your safety. To do this, hover over the icon on the top right. And in the drop-down menu, click on Security. On the page that opens, you will see the authentication app labeled. This is the best security option. You just need to download Authenticator app in App Store or Google Play on your mobile phone and scan the QR code that appears on the OKX. Guys, don't forget to use the promo code to get your bonuses up to $10,000.